Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Today's video is going to be very different. I am going to show you guys a little trick that I have been doing with a chopstick. This little trick is for you to get more defined curls without extreme heat. So if you want your curls to go from this to this without extreme heat, then keep on watching. So sometimes when you're trying to transition into, natural curly hair, your curls sometimes don't bounce back right away. Okay, so sometimes I do have a couple of curls that are just like not doing much, that are kind of like this, and then I'll have like other curls that do bounce back. I do have some frizz, don't mind that, we're gonna fix that. Basically all you have to do is wrap your hair around your pencil or your chopstick, whatever you're gonna use, just like this, like if you're using a curling wand. Hold the bottom with one hand and then just spray a curl holding spray. This one's from GHD, or you can spray water if you want. You can put whatever cream you have at home. Then you use your diffuser to add just a little bit of air. It doesn't even have to be hot air. I'm literally gonna put it on the lowest heat setting and the highest speed. If you don't want to add heat at all, then you can literally like just chill like this for a couple minutes. Let it dry, or you can tie it and then let it dry. But I'm not gonna do that because I don't think a diffuser is extreme heat. I don't feel like the diffuser really damages my hair, especially if I have it in a low heat setting, and it's not anything like super damaging to my hair. So I'm just gonna turn this on, gonna dry it for a couple of seconds. I would say a couple of minutes. I think that should be enough. I did about 2 minutes. So now I'm going to show you guys what the curl looks like. It's insane. It's like if you're using a curling iron. It's crazy. So just release the curl like that. And there you have it. Isn't that genius? Like, that is such a nice way to help your curls come back to life without putting extreme heat on your hair. I mean, you can just do this with a quick curling iron, like a very thin curling iron, but you are going to put extreme heat on your hair, and I don't think you want that if you're trying to transition into your natural curls. All right, so there's the first curl. I'm just gonna set it on my hair, and yeah, it actually looks very natural. It's like the same curl pattern that I naturally have, and it's just a very genius way to add more definition to your curls without putting extreme heat to your curls. And yeah, I just love this trick. I'm gonna do it to this curl now. It needs a little bit of help. You can do this to all your hair if you want, but it's gonna take you quite some time. So you hold the bottom, add the spray, and then dry your hair. That should be enough time, so let's see. There you have it. So pretty. It definitely looks better than before. And if you do that to all your hair, or like most of your hair, your curls are gonna look a lot more defined. So I'm gonna do this one. This one's not too bad, but just want to do it just to see how it looks. Add the spray. This is very important. You have to add some type of spray, water, anything, and then use your diffuser. So pretty. I'm gonna do a couple more and then I'll be back with the final look. yeah guys, here's the final look. I didn't really finish this side because I want to leave this side for a TikTok, but this side looks actually very nice and like more defined. It doesn't look frizzy. This technique helps with frizz as well. I don't know if you can tell, but this side does look a little bit more frizzy. So instead of using a curling wand to define your curls, you can always just use this, a little bit of spray and your diffuser, and you're good to go. And it gives you a nice, very long lasting, by the way, very long lasting tight curl. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do more mini like hacks like this. But yeah, if you like my channel so far, make sure that you subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Subscribe to my channel. If you want to see how all my hair turned out, like the final look with this side as well, follow my TikTok. This is my TikTok right here. I post a lot of mini tutorials on there as well. So yeah, follow my TikTok and my Instagram. Follow my Instagram. But yeah, check out the final result right here. But as you can see, this side definitely looks a lot more defined already. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye bye.